The book I chose for today is How to Fill Your Bucket, and in this book it's by Carol McLeod. It talks about how to achieve daily happiness for students. This is targeted for preschool to fourth grade students, and I think it's excellent for all of them. It explains how with your bucket, which is good thoughts and happiness, how by filling someone else's you can also fill your own. It also explains how bullying is a problem and how people can dip from buckets, which means taking from other people's. And this is done by using mean thoughts and saying mean things to them, pretty much bullying them. It also explains how when that happens with bullying, how the bucket doesn't get full when you're taking from others, it remains empty. This is a good thought, and I think this book should be brought in during a lesson about bullying or a unit about bullying, and it's a great way to get everyone involved with helping each other, etc. There are no set characters in this book, except with all the illustrations. There's a lot of ethnicities and cultures brought throughout the book. For second language learners, the sentences are fairly easy, age appropriate though, and there's a lot of illustrations that go with each page. The first assignment I would use for this book would be where students can decide how they can fill a bucket and how someone can actually fill their bucket. This is a great assignment because it gets them thinking about real life, where how can I give someone their happiness and how can I receive my daily happiness. The second one is a little short answer where they can pick their favorite part of the book and explain why and go into detail of why it was their favorite part. And then the last assignment is where they can have their fill side and their dip side, and they get 6 or 12 scenarios, and they can cut them out and choose which side they go to. And for any of these assignments, it can also be good to share with partners and get them involved with talking to the class.